Hello everyone, good morning. Can anyone confirm? Am I audible or not? Can you hear me? Can you respond in chat? Yeah. So, where we stopped yesterday's session? Okay, yesterday we discussed about, okay, as part of our sessions, okay, which content we are going to deliver. Okay, that one we discussed as part of our sessions, what content we are going to deliver. At the same time, where exactly we use it like Python. If we learn Python in the industry, in our current industry, what kind of opportunities we can get it? What is our role? Okay, once you are like, you learned Python, what kind of jobs you need to apply? That one also we discussed or not. If I learn Python, then the time you can go with the Python backend developer. That is one opportunity. Another one is like, for example, you want to go with the data science. Okay, you want to learn data science. This is like a stepping stone. Most of the times the data science libraries, ML, DL, okay, AI related, all are like, okay, Python libraries most of the times. Okay, frequently they use it like Python libraries. Some other languages also there, Java libraries also there, but there has, okay, more libraries. Okay, Python libraries, so many people are trying to use that one nowadays. That the reason, if you know Python, one is like you can go with the backend developer. You can go with the backend developer. The next one is like you can go with what? Okay, data scientist. If you want to become like a data scientist, just it is like one first step, stepping stone to your to learn data science. That is one thing. Okay, Python and React.js combination also, yes. See, React.js is like a front end. Okay, Python is like a back end. It works. It works. Okay. For example, you join in one company as a Python developer. Then the time in that company, what kind of applications we are going to develop? What kind of applications we are going to develop? That one we discussed, right? One is like we can discuss like, okay, what is standalone application yesterday? The next one is like what is web application? The next one is like what is distributed application? Okay, the next one, what is enterprise application also? Most of the times we are going to develop any one of the application. Okay, either standalone, either web, either distribute, either enterprise. Yesterday we discussed, right, what is standalone application? What is standalone application? Yesterday we discussed already. What is standalone application? Okay, very simple. I have one application. This is my application. For example, one of the application whose name is like VLC media player. Okay, exe. This is my application. If anybody want to work with this application, each and every person has to install in their machines or not. See this. Okay, here one machine is there, here one machine is there, here one machine is there. Okay, these are like three computers. In my first computer, if you want VLC media player to play the videos, you have to install this VLC media software. It's nothing but VLC.exe. You have to install here, as well as you have to install here, as well as you have to install here also or not. So if you want to work with standalone applications, you should have to, okay, install that particular software in each and every machine or not. That kind of applications we can say like a standalone applications. If you have an application, if you want to work with that application, you have to install that application in each and every machine. That kind of applications we can say like a standalone applications or not. So one of the thing is, if you know Python, by using Python libraries, we can develop the standalone applications. Most of the times, standalone applications are like softwares, most of the times. Okay. At the same time, if you want to develop one of the application that is like a kind of intranet, okay, in that particular machine only, okay, in that particular network only, for example, if you want to run, then that time you can go with this. It's not like a web, okay, it is like particular mission. In that particular mission only I want to run the application. That is one case. The next one is like, here if you observe, see, the next one is like what, web application. And one more thing, for example, if you go for, okay, any one of the shopping mall, they are going to do like some building, right? That building, they maintain one application or not? That application is like what, if you observe, okay, there has one more building counter besides, okay, there has one more building counter like this, there has multiple building counters, you can see each and every building counter, they maintain like one mission. In that mission to build one, okay, application they maintain. That application is what? That is standalone only. They install that application in each and every building counter mission or not. That type of applications we can say standalone applications. Simply you can remember like, if you want to work with this application, okay, which application? Standalone application. You have to install that application in each and every mission. Individually, you have to install it. That type of application standalone. Next one, we yesterday we discussed like web applications. What is web application? That's very simple thing. Nowadays, if you open the browser, okay, with some domain name, in that particular browser, based on the domain name, you can see some content or not. From where you can get that content? For example, if you open like a google.com, Google related content loaded. If you open like vtsschool.com, VTS school related content loaded. Some other domain related content loaded. Okay, how it is happened in the background? What is the process? First, you open the browser like this. In this browser, just I type it like vtsschool.com. Now in the browser, okay, this VTS school type, okay, you typed VTS school, right? This one terminology wise, what we can say URL. Most of the times we can say like a domain. You can say like a domain. Whenever you open this domain name in your browser, some content is going to load or not here. Some content is going to load or not. Yes or no? Now tell me how this particular content loaded in the browser. If we try Google, Google content loaded. If it is like VTS school, VTS school related content loaded or not? My content is like valid. So how this content is going to load? If the content has to be load here means somebody has to develop. Already the content should be there or not? Somebody has to develop that content or not? This content, the content which is loaded inside the browser, how we can develop that content using some technologies. Okay, those technologies we can say like a client-side technologies. Client-side technologies. Okay, the content which is developed to load inside the browser. Okay, the content you develop, load where? Inside the browser. That kind of content we can develop by using client-side technologies. Some of the client-side technologies are what? HTML. The next one is like CSS. Next JavaScript. On top of that one React. On top of that one Angular. On top of that one Vue.js. Like that, okay, multiple libraries, frameworks are there. So my browser terminology wise now onwards, I can say like a client. Okay, you open the browser, you open one domain name. Now some content loaded inside the browser. That content somebody has to develop. Okay, who can develop? Okay, one person, one company, one person, one developer, one software developer developed that content. How that software developer develop that content which is loaded inside the browser? By using these client-side technologies. Okay, tell me some client-side technologies. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, on top of JavaScript, React or Angular or Vue.js or Backbone.js. Okay, like this, multiple on top of JavaScript libraries are there. So any one of the library they use and they can develop this particular content and load inside the browser. Done. So now you can see the terminology. Browser, you can say like a client. Now onwards. In the browser, whatever the content loaded, that content we developed by using client-side technologies. Tell me some client-side technologies. Okay, if anybody asks HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, on top of React, Angular, Vue, like that you can say. So terminology-wise, just let me write something here. The first client, next client-side technologies. Client-side technologies. Most of the times, okay, browser is acting like a client. Browser is an acting like a client when in web applications. Client-side technologies, tell me, client-side technologies come under HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, on top of JavaScript, we have React is there, Angular is there, and Vue.js is the most popular libraries, frameworks these nowadays. Okay, now come here. My client-side technology is having one drawback. Okay, my client-side technology is having one drawback. What is the drawback? These okay technologies directly not able to communicate with the database. They are not able to directly communicate with the database. Now tell me why we go for database? Why we go for database? Come on, why we go for database? Very simple. It is a kind of storage, you can say. Okay, how we can store some data? For example, in your computer, if you want to store the data, possibilities tell me. In your computer, if you want to store the data, okay, possibilities tell me. Okay, one is like if you want to store the data, one is like you can use like a file. Yes or no? You can create a file. Inside the file, you can store some data or not. Yes or no? Possibilities. In the file, how much data you can store? It's a kind of restricted, okay, limited size only. If you place like use data, my file may not open. Okay, now I have something like use data is there. I want to store it. The next level is like, okay, which one we are going to use? Okay, in the hard disk only, my file placed inside the file. I'm trying to place it. Okay, if the file not work, okay, simply you can do one thing. Okay, in your machine, just install one of the database like MyDB, MySQL, Oracle, okay, DB2, like this multiple databases are there. You can install database. Inside the database, you can store some data. Okay, it is like better than file. We can we can maintain or we can store something like huge data. For example, if you have unlimited data, sometimes possibility there. Okay, that time the next level, okay, storage is also there. The next level storages we are going to discuss at the time of okay data science introduction. Okay, at the time of data analysis. Okay, if you want to analyze the data, somewhere the data should be there, right? Okay, that one we can discuss data warehouses, clusters, all this stuff. Okay, now we have database to store the data. But here the problem here, what the client has some work. Okay, my client has some work with the database. What is that one? He want to store some data within the database. What is that? For example, yesterday we discussed about the enrollment form. Okay, user ID. Okay, the next one is like email. The next one is like phone number. And whenever you click on the submit button, this data should store, right? Then only, right? The VTS admin can see your data and communicate with you or not. So whenever you click on the submit button, whenever you click on the submit button in vtsschool.com, this particular data, whatever you entered, that data should store within this database or not. Yes or no? So how we can store this data in the database? Okay. How we can store the data in the database? First of all, if you want to store, you have to communicate with this guy or not. Yes or no? But the problem here is what? My browser or my client or my client side technologies are not having the capability to communicate with the database. So that he is going to take some other person help. Who is that guy? He is going to take some other person help. In between, there has some other person come into the picture. Okay, can anyone tell me? This one we can say like a middleware. Okay, this middleware is like a server side application. Okay, now I can say my browser is like a client and this application is like a server and this one is like what? A database. This is the what? Full-fledged entire flow, end-to-end flow. This is my client application. My client application want to store this data in the database, but he is not able to communicate with the database directly. So he needs some other person help. That is like a middleware. That middleware is acting like a server-side application. Now my client communicate with the server. My server application communicate with the database and store the data and tell to my client, hey, it is like successfully saved. Like this is going to, okay, like this it is going to give the response back to my client or not. Understood or not? Okay, now here client side application you can develop by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I said server side applications, how we can develop. Okay, server side, this is also an application, means you have to develop by using some technologies or not. Okay, the server side applications we can develop using some server side technologies. Okay, server side technologies. Tell me some server side technologies, what you know. Tell me some server side technologies, what you know. Java, .NET, PHP, Python. Okay, the next one is like Salesforce. Okay, the next one is like Node, like this. Multiple server side technologies are there. Now you can understand. This is what? Python, right? Okay, our sessions also what? Related to Python only or in this particular flow, where exactly we use like Python? Where exactly we use like Python? One simple answer you can say, by using Python, I can develop a server-side application, okay, which is used to connect with the database, perform some DB operations or not. Yes or no? Perform some DB operations or not. So in this case, we used Python for develop the backend application. Yes or no? Now see, my client application I developed by using React, for example. My server application I developed by using Python. My database is like, okay, one of the database, multiple databases also there. MongoDB is there, MySQL is there, SQL Server is there. Okay, MS SQL, DB2 is there, DB2 is there. Okay, like this, multiple databases are there, Cassandra, multiple databases are there. Okay, now we are going to discuss Oracle also there, Oracle, Oracle also there. Now, here Python is used for develop the backend application that is communicate with the database or not. As part of our sessions, how it is going to communicate with the Oracle database, how it is going to communicate with the my MongoDB database, and how it is going to communicate with the MySQL database. These three things we are going to cover. These three things we are going to cover in the database. Now, our thing is like why we go for okay Python. Okay, by seeing this flow, can anyone tell me? By using Python, we can develop the backend applications or not? Yes or no? Here, but backend application where exactly used? The entire flow, if you observe here, it is a client to server. Okay, communication is this one. It is a client and server communication application. Here, my client is always what? Browser. That kind of applications we can say like a web applications. Okay, client and server communication application. My client is always like what? Browser. That kind of applications we can say like what? Web applications. In the web applications, okay, where exactly we used Python in the web application development, where exactly we used Python? In the web application development, we used Python to develop the backend applications or not. To develop the backend applications or not, or server-side applications or not. Understood? Got my point? So what is web application? Very simple. It's a client and server communication application. My client is always browser. If you open this one, okay. If you open this one, now if you go to the schedule one, okay. If you click on the enroll, now see my VTS school. Whenever you open this content loaded or not. If I click on the enroll, if I enter some data, if I click on the submit button, this data should store where in the database or not. That means here my VTS school, it's a kind of what? It's a kind of what? A web application. Okay, here we used React to develop this particular client application. We used like a PHP to develop the server-side application. Instead of PHP, you can use what? Python also by learning using these sessions or not. Understood? We used MySQL is the database to store your data. We use it like MySQL is my database to store your data or not. Understood? Now, if you observe here, okay, MySQL workbench. Okay, this is the database we are going to. Okay, this is the tool. This is the tool we are going to connect with your MySQL servers. Okay, if you open this one, whatever, whoever the enrolled people are there, okay, those people details I can see here or not. Okay, now see there has, okay, tables are there. Okay, in the tables, just we are going to, okay, observe here. We are going to store the data or not. Okay, if you observe here, these many users are there. Okay, see this results, mocks results. If you click on this one, now this data, how it is stored? Whenever you enter the data, okay, that particular data stored within this database or not. With the help of what? With the help of one of the server-side application. Okay, the entire flow we are going to discuss. In future, the entire flow, end-to-end flow, we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss Python application and we are going to discuss like a database. At the same time, here we use it not like React Angular Vue. We use it like a basic template by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can easily understand. What the point? So if anybody asks what is web application, simply you can say like what? It's a client and server communication application. My client is always browser. That type of applications we can say like a web applications. Yes or no? In the web application development, where exactly used Python? In the web application development, we used Python to develop the backend applications or server-side applications. That is the answer. Okay. The next one. Distributed applications. What is distributed application? Anyone knows? What is distributed application? What is distributed application? Very simple. See, take one banking application. For example, okay, Axis Bank application, you can take it. This is my Axis Bank application. This is my Axis Bank application. Okay, na? Oh, perfect. Okay, Axis Bank application, it's a backend application. It's a backend application, you can say. Now, all your account details, where we are going to store all your account details, your details, okay, your account number, okay, your address, your funds, your transactions, all these details where we can store, okay, some storage required or not. In this case, most of the times they use it like, okay, data warehouses, okay, clusters like that. But I know one of the storage database, right? So you can use like a DB. Okay, so whenever for example, today you open an account in the Axis Bank, somewhere your account details and everything they should store or not. Tomorrow, if you come, okay, they need to fetch your details or not. Yes or no? If I enter account number, all your details should come. That means somewhere your details should store or not. Where your details stored? Where is yours? Come on. Where your details can store in the database simply. Okay, in the database. Tell me some databases what you know. MongoDB, MySQL, MSSQL, DB2. Okay, etc. Like this. I have a DB. Oracle. Okay, perfect. The next one. Your details and everything stored in the database. Okay, one of the table or whatever it is, users table or account holder table they stored. Okay, perfect. Now on your account, okay, my account number is like 123. My account number is like 123. My account number is like 123. Okay, my current balance is like, okay, something like this. Okay, all my transactions and everything there. Okay, perfect. Now I want to transfer 10k rupees to my friend. Tell me which approach you follow in general. I want to transfer 10k rupees. Okay, different approaches. Tell me if you want to transfer, okay, some funds. One of the approach is like what? You open the browser. Yes or no? You open the browser with the domain name of what? Come on, with the domain name of what? Accessbank.com. Yes or no? And you can log in. Whenever you log in with your current account details, okay, whenever you log in with the correct account details, your information and your balance and everything you can find here. Yes or no? Whenever log with success, you can see your balance and everything. Now you can transfer the funds or not. Yes or no? Possibilities. Don't think more about the code process. Okay, you can transfer the funds or not. Yes or no? You open the browser and you logged in. If it is success, you can see the balance and everything, my funds. Okay, you can transfer the funds. Yeah, this is one approach. Another approach, tell me. Come on. In my mobile, okay, I have a Axis Bank app is there in my mobile. This is the browser. Okay, this is what? This is my mobile. In my mobile, Axis Bank app is there. Access app is there. I can open the app. I can enter the login details. It's nothing but a pin or something. And if it is success, again I can see the balance. And again I can do what? I can transfer the funds or not. Now tell me, your details and everything stored where? Come on, all your account details and your transactions and everything stored where? Where it is stored? Come on. Your account details and everything, where it is stored? In the database, right? In the database or not? Now this is the browser. Now, is my browser is a client, is directly communicated with the database? Tell me, is my browser, okay, browser is a client. My client side technologies directly communicate with the database? No. So some other person help is required or not? So here that person is what? My Access Bank application. It's like a server application. It's a backend application or not? It's a backend application. Backend application. Now my browser or my client application communicate with this backend application, and this backend application communicate with the database and provide the required information to this guy or not? Yes or no? Come on. Okay, now come to the Axis Bank mobile app. Now, whenever you log in, this database details I want to show in the mobile application. Now, the mobile application should communicate with whom now? The mobile application should communicate with whom now? Again, with my backend application. and my backend application communicate with whom? Database, and get the data and give it to my mobile application or not? Yes or no? Okay, now you can transfer the funds with my mobile application. This is one process. Another process, tell me. Come on, another way. I want to transfer the funds to some other. Possible ways. Okay, how many ways we can transfer the funds from your account to some other? Okay, simple, right? In the ATM, okay, directly I want to give the money to my friend. Okay, what I can do? Go to this ATM, and in the ATM, okay, just I'm going to swipe the card and withdraw the funds. I can give it or not. Now tell me when I can withdraw the funds? When I can withdraw the funds? If the funds are available, right? You have to check it or not. Balance is how much? You entered less than, okay, balance or not. Withdraw amount should less than the balance. So first of all, balance how much should know or not this ATM. So where is my balance and all the details in the database? So who can communicate with the database? My backend application. So now my ATM should communicate with whom now? Come on. My ATM should communicate with whom now? With my backend application and get the information whenever the user entered the withdraw amount less than the balance. Withdraw amount less than the balance, then only you can process the request. Then only you can release the funds. Otherwise, don't do. Okay, like this by using ATM also we can do it or not? Yes or no? Come on. We can transfer the funds or not from our account. Okay, that means we are like, okay, withdraw some amount, that's it in this case. Another way, tell me. Just I want to transfer my funds to some other. Another way. ATM machines also, okay. Now, while doing shopping, okay, what those people are going to do? They are going to use like some swiping machines or not? Yes or no? Some swiping machines or not? Okay, directly, okay, they are going to use some swiping machines. Okay, there has multiple people provide, right? So swiping machines, ATM, like that. The swiping machine also, okay, first for example, you have 40K balance. Okay, you are trying to swipe 50K, then the time will it allow? No. That means first of all, balance how much is there required or not? Where is my details again? Where my details are? My details are in the database. How we can get the data from the database? Using backend. So here also, okay, my swiping machine communicate with who? My Axis Bank application. Swiping machine communicate with my Axis Bank application. Now get the information and allow them to transfer the funds or not. Yes or no? Possibility there or not there? Come on, possibility there or not there? Okay, that is one thing. The next one is like, for example, this time I don't want to transfer the funds. Just I want to know something information. Okay, how much balance is there? Based on that one, I want to transfer the funds. Okay, how we can know the balance? How we can know your balance? Either you can log in your account in the browser, either you can log in through mobile application. Again, you can go to the ATM and you can check the funds. Okay, swiping machine, okay, may not possible, okay, directly swipe it. But one more way also there, if you want to know about the balance. Okay, do you know IVR system, interactive voice recording? IVR. Okay, whenever you call to this guy, okay, these people communicate with your database, and whatever the funds you have on your account, you can come to know, like or not. Yes or no? Agreed or not? Okay, here if you observe, my application is like back-end application which communicate with the database. How many applications are there? Only one back-end application is there. Only one back-end application. But here, see, one of the browser communicate with my backend application. Next, my Axis Bank application, mobile application also communicate with this one. ATM, swiping, okay, IVR, phone pay also come under mobile application only. Okay, these all are like what? Communicate with my backend application or not. Now tell me, my backend application, last time you have only one client, that is the browser. But now my backend application having how many clients? Multiple clients or not? Okay, now you can define the distributed application. The application which having multiple clients, that kind of applications we can say like what? Distributed applications. Web application is what? Only client to server. Client is always browser. That kind of application we can say like a web application. Okay. Now here the application. Okay, this is the distributed application. This is the backend application which having multiple clients or not. Browser one of the client, my mobile app one of the client, my ATM machine one of the client, my swiping machine one of the client, my IVR also one of the client. The application which are having multiple clients, that kind of applications we can say like a distributed applications. Understood or not? So every banking application, it's a kind of what? Distributed application only. When we can say like a distributed application means there has multiple clients it has. If the application has multiple clients, that kind of applications we can say like a distributed applications. Understood? So this distributed application, yes, we can develop by using Python, Java, .NET, like that. So Python also one of the technology to develop the distributed application or not. Agreed, everyone? Wait, okay. What is distributed application? Okay, very simple. I have one application. There has multiple clients are there. Okay, simple. Each and every banking application come under distributed only. Okay, see, think in your case only. I want to know the balance. Okay, I want to know the balance of my account balance. I want to know how many ways we can get the balance. You can open your browser, axisbank.com. Yes, you can get the balance. You open your mobile application, okay, Axis Bank or Phone Pay, you can get the balance. You can go to the ATM, you can get the balance. You can call the IVR, you can get the balance or not. But these all are like asking the questions to whom, okay, to get the balance from the database. These all are asking the question to one application or not. That application only communicate with whom? Your database, and give the response back to those people or not. The application, this one is there now, okay, which is communicate with your database. The application which are having multiple clients, client is nothing but they're asking something, they requested something like that. The application which having multiple clients, that kind of application we can say like a, okay, distributed applications. My application which are having only one client, that is the browser, that is web application. Having multiple clients, that is like a distributed application, that's it. Okay, so here the Axis Bank backend application is there, right? Having multiple clients, that backend application you can say like a distributed application terminology wise. Every banking application, it's a kind of distributed application only. Why? Because there has multiple clients. Understood, everyone? All are okay? Okay, then. The next one is what? The next one is like what? Enterprise application or not? Okay, it's very simple. It's a combination of web and distributed. It's a combination of web and distributed. That kind of applications we can say like a enterprise application. Okay, I have one small requirement. Okay, you know e-commerce website, right? Okay, on daily basis you are using, right? You e-commerce website. Okay, any one of the e-commerce website you can take it. For example, Amazon you can take it. You can take like a Amazon. Now tell me, in the Amazon, if you want to purchase one product, the entire process, end to end, okay, tell me, end to end, entire process. Okay, in the background, what happened, like that. Come on, first, if you want to purchase one product, what you are going to do? First thing, you open the browser, yes, no? Or you open the web, mobile app or whatever it is. You open the browser. Okay, possibilities. You open the browser. This is my Amazon.in. Amazon.in. Whenever you open the browser, hmm, this particular domain has some content. That content loaded or not? Tell me. This content, okay, this content developed by using what? It's a browser. The content which is loaded inside the browser, we can develop by using which technologies? By using which technologies? Client side technologies or not? Okay, simply the content which is loaded inside the browser. Now onwards, that content developed by using client side technologies, like that you can understand. Okay, now this is my Amazon.com. Okay, .in. Okay, in the browser I opened. The client is my browser. By using client side technologies, they developed this particular content that is loaded. After that, what we can do? Okay, you can search for the product, and you are going to try. Come on, you can see some more details, comments, ratings, and everything, and finally you decided like, okay, buy that one. Or okay, come on, the possibility is like what? Buy now. The next one is like add to cart. This is my thing, right? Now tell me, whenever you click on the buy now, internally what happens? Whenever you click on the buy now, whenever you click on the buy now, come on, whenever you click on the buy now, internally what happened? That is the question. Okay, very simple. Whenever you click on the buy now, it is navigate to payment page or not? Yes or no? It is navigate to payment page or not? Yes or no? Okay, it is navigate to the payment page. It is nothing but a payment broker. It is navigate to the payment page. Okay, now tell me the payment brokers. Some of the payment brokers. Okay, Amazon Pay also their own. Amazon Pay is there. The next one is like what? Okay, the next one is PayPal is there. PayPal. The next one is what? Okay, the next one is what? Roger Pay. Roger Pay is there. Okay, like this. Okay, different brokers, payment brokers are there or not? These payment brokers can help you, okay, to complete the transaction. To complete the transaction. Okay. Now, whenever you click on the buy now, if you observe, my Amazon people, they used their own payment broker. What is the payment broker? Amazon Pay. Okay. Now it is navigate to Amazon Pay. Understood or not? Whenever you click on the buy now button, you have to complete the transaction, right? For that purpose, okay, we have multiple payment brokers. We have multiple payment brokers. One of the payment broker is like Amazon Pay, their own payment broker, PayPal, Roger Pay, like that. Okay. Now it is navigate to the Amazon Pay. The next one is what? Can anyone tell me? Come on, what is the next one? Here they are going to ask some information. No? They are going to ask some information or not. What is that information? Your card details, right? Your card details, right? Yes or no? Most of the times. Okay, debit card, or credit card, or whatever it is. Your card details, they are going to ask or not. Yes or no? Now, whenever you enter the card details, did you observe your card most of the times? It may be MasterCard, Visa card, like that. Different people, okay, provide the cards or not. Yes or no? Come on. One is like Visa, you can take Visa card. Another one is like MasterCard, MasterCard, like this different. Okay, providers provide you the cards or not. Now my question is very simple, straight question. Visa people provide the Visa cards only for the Axis Bank. Is it valid statement or invalid? No, right? No, right? 100% no. My Visa people provide the card not only for Axis Bank, right? They provide the cards for any bank or not. To any bank or not. Yes or no? Come on. Yes or no? Now, this one, whenever you click on the buy now, it is come to payment broker. Okay. Now, whenever you enter the card details, now here they initiate the transaction or not. That is nothing but payment gateway. Payment gateway. Payment gateway. Now, whenever I entered the card details like this, 1, 2, 3, something like this. Whenever I enter the card details, whenever you entered the card details, immediately my payment broker come to know that card given by whom, either Vesana, either Master. They can come to know or not. Yes or no? Possibilities. Okay, whenever you enter the card details, they can come to know like that card is like either Visa or Master. Now the control comes to payment broker to payment gateway. Yes or no? Yes. Now the information with my Visa people. Okay, he entered the card details is this one. Okay, my Amazon Pay or PayPal or Roser Pay find the payment gateway. Okay, that card given by the Vesa people. So they asked Vesa people, hey Vesa people, okay, this is the card details they entered. Can you proceed? Now Vesa people, okay, check the card number. Okay, whatever the number you entered. Now these Vesa people provide that card only for Axis Bank or any bank. Come on. Yeah, okay, these Visa people, okay, provide the cards for only Axis Bank or any bank, right? So that now it comes to your banks now. My Visa people find that card based on the card number, they provided this card through which bank? Axis, okay, SBI, okay, BOI, BOB, okay, like that. Now, for example, my Visa people, this particular card provided for my Axis Bank. Okay, now comes to where the card number and okay, card number and some information. Okay, expiry date, all this stuff comes to Axis Bank application or not? Yes or no? Come on. Comes to my Axis Bank application or not? First to payment broker. Payment broker to gateway. Gateway to the respective bank application. Now the bank people, what they are going to do? Now you know. Bank people, what they are going to do? This particular card assigned to which customer? All my customers, where they stored? Axis Bank people or any bank. All their customers where they stored? In the database or not? In the database, this particular card details match with any customer or not. He is going to check. If that customer existed, okay, then that time to that particular customer, his account, okay, balance is how much? Balance is how much? How much he is trying to withdraw? Or how much he is trying to spend, okay, for this particular product to purchase, that amount is less than the balance or not, he is going to check. If everything is okay, my Axis Bank people finally initiate the transaction. Why? Because the Axis Bank people only maintaining the database, from there only they are going to deduct the amount or not. They don't want to give the chance to some other. If I give this bad database to Amazon people or PayPal, they may do some changes. Possibility there or not there. Now, to whom you are going to ask? You have an Axis Bank account. If that bank database maintained by some other people, okay, if they did something wrong, think like that. Who is the responsible person? Your contact person is whom? Axis Bank people or PayPal people? PayPal, no. Axis Bank people only or not. That the reason Axis Bank people, they don't want to give the database and any secure information to any third party people. They only maintain the database. So my Axis Bank people check that particular card existing or bind with any customer or not. Yes, then that time they are going to check for the balance is greater than your transaction amount or not. Everything is okay. They initiate what? They initiate your transaction. They complete the transaction and give the information, okay, to my payment gateway. Payment gateway give the information to the broker. My broker is going to give the information to my client application. That time you can see like a order placed successfully, one message you can see or not. Yes or no? Understood everyone? Okay. But here, once order placed, what happened? Once order placed, what happened? Your order, you have to track it. Na? Your orders and everything, you have to track it or not. Okay. When it is going to dispatch, your order, all this stuff, you have to track it or not. How we can track? Today you place the order. You log out. Tomorrow, if I log into my Amazon.in, I want to see the orders or not. Yes or no? Come on. I want to see the orders or not. All your orders where they stored. My Amazon people, they stored your Amazon customer details. Okay, they stored Amazon customer details in the Amazon database or not, in their own database or not. Okay, their customer details. Now tell me, this is the browser. It's my browser can communicate with the database directly. Browser means client. My client application can communicate with the database directly. Is my voice ready? Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay. Are you able to hear me now? Can you confirm, please? Is it okay now? Yeah. So my Amazon people, okay, what they are going to do, whenever you place a order, okay, whenever you add a product to the cart, all the details, the Amazon customer details, they stored in their Amazon database or not? Yes or no? This is Amazon database. Amazon database. Now, who can communicate with the database again? Who can communicate with the database? Is my browser can communicate? No, na. Okay, who can communicate? My backend application can communicate or not? Yes or no? So that this is again one more Amazon backend application, right? This is Amazon backend application. Backend application. Okay. Now observe this entire flow. I can say like a enterprise application. Enterprise application, what you know, it is a combination of web application. See this part only you can think. Okay, this piece only you can think. This is which kind of application? Only this part you can see. This one only you can see. This is which kind of application? Web application or not? Now see the browser and my database and my okay and my backend application. This is a kind of what? Web application or not? Okay, keep this one aside. Now if you come to this one, if you come to this one, now tell me Amazon Pay, PayPal, Roser Pay. Okay, now tell me Amazon people using Amazon Pay. Some other, for example, Flipkart. Flipkart people using like a PayPal. Some other person using like a Roser Pay. So tell me, these payment brokers can have multiple clients or not? Yes or no? Come on, can have multiple clients or not? So the application which having multiple clients, that application what we can say? The application which having multiple applications, okay, multiple clients I can say, that is like a distributed application or not. So my payment broker is a kind of what? Distributed application. Now tell me the next one is like payment gateway. Visa master is there. Now you can enter the Visa code in the PayPal also, in the Roger Pay also, in the Amazon Pay also, right? Visa code, you can enter the card details, any one of the payment broker or not. So my Visa has Amazon Pay, PayPal and Roger Pay. Anyone can communicate with the Visa or not. That means my Visa has how many clients? Maybe Amazon Pay, maybe PayPal can communicate. Okay, if I enter the Visa code details in the Roger Pay payment broker, my Roger Pay communicate with whom? Visa or not. So my Visa has how many clients? One client or multiple clients? Multiple clients. If the application has multiple clients, that application what we can say again? Distributed application or not. Now if you come here, okay, now the Visa people provided the card only for Axis Bank, no, right? No, right? At the same time, my master people also can give the card to Axis Bank people or not? Possibility there or not there? Visa card, okay, give, okay, Visa card to Axis Bank people, MasterCard also we can give to the Axis Bank people or not. So my Visa people can communicate with the Axis and my Master people also communicate with the Axis or not. Possibility there or not there. So here my Axis Bank has multiple clients or not. If my Axis Bank has multiple clients, that application what we can say? Distributed application or not. If you see this entire flow, it is a combination of web application and distributed applications or not. The application which is combination of web and distributed applications, that kind of applications we can say like a enterprise applications. Understood everyone? All are agreed? Okay, so by using Python, we can develop the enterprise applications also. Okay, now you got some idea, right? Now, okay, what kind of applications we are going to develop? Okay, then leave it. The next one, I asked you to go through the content yesterday. Did you? Anyone have any questions? Okay, if you want to go through the content, just you can go to this website. View content is there, right? Okay, here is the content. Just you can go through this content. Okay, at least first comfort with this terminology. What is environment setup, coding, introduction, variables, data types. First read it. Okay, just read it 2 3 times. Each and every topic you can read it. What is web framework? Where exactly we are going to use DB connections? What these are? All this stuff. Just you can read it first. Okay. Now the next one is like I asked you to install the Python software. Did you install or not install? Python software in your machines. I asked you to install. Okay. Go to this uijavakit.com. Go to Python. Go to Python. Okay, here, if you go to installation section, now click on this one. Okay, here you can go and download the Python, the latest version you can download. You can go to the downloads. Okay, the latest version is like what 3.12. Okay, 3.6, that is the old link. But just you can download this particular software and you can install in your machine. It's a kind of normal exe file only, just you can install it. Okay, once you installed, you can open the command prompt and check the Python is installed or not. If it is like really installed, it should be like Python environment like this. Just you can test it like this. Okay, it's working or not. Okay, this one is our coding. Okay, leave it. Just you can type, you can terminate by clicking on the exit, just write like this. Just go to command prompt, type py, okay, or python. Okay, just you type py or python. If you come into this mode, yes, Python is like installed. Okay, if you not install, you may get like this is not found as an external or internal command. That time you have to download the Python and you need to install it. Okay, that one you can do it. The next one is like, okay, I asked it to prepare the documentation for Gmail. Okay, did anyone? Hmm? Anyone? Anyone did it? Okay, no problem. Okay, today you can take that time. Okay, document you can prepare. Okay, just okay, 3 to 5 points. That's it. Okay, what's the requirement? Very simple. Whenever you open the Gmail, you can see the mails list or not. Okay, just think these mails coming from where? Okay, from database. In the mails list, if you observe, some are like read, some are like unread, right? Unread messages. Yes or no? Now, whenever you click on the read, what happened in the background? It is open that one, and the status also going to change. Where that status is going to change in the database itself or not? Yes or no? Okay, for that purpose, just you can write the document. You can write the document. Okay, how we can write? Okay, we have a database, Gmail database, which contains the mails list. Okay, which contains one of the table called as a mails list. Okay, whenever you log in, based on this particular user, they retrieve the mails. They retrieve the mails from the mails list table, and once you get the mails, we are going to display in the browser. Okay, in the mails list, each and every mail has the status is like status 0 means read, 1 means unread. Whenever you displayed all read and unread messages, if I click on the unread message, my status is going to change, right? Okay, now next time if you come, then the time my message should be like what? Read mode only, not unread mode, right? Once you click on this one, the status should change like what? 0 to 1. Okay, think like that. Okay. So the flow I want, more than that, nothing. Okay, if you want, I can show you really quickly. This is my DB. Okay, here is my mails list. Okay, first mail is like VTS school. Okay, there has some subject, some body, and here the status also there. Okay, each and every mail has this one status. Okay, the next one is like, okay, this is my ID, for example, Gmail ID, Gmail ID. Okay, whenever you log in into Gmail, on your ID, how many mails are there? All the mails you can see here or not? You can see here. You can see here. Okay. Now some of the mails status is like okay, either 0 or 1. 0 means already read, 1 means unread. So that this mail status is like 0 means already read it. This mail status is like 0, already read it. And this mail status is like 0, already read it. These all are like normal text only. But this one is like in the bold, that means it's like unread. The status is like what? 1. Whenever you click on this particular mail, then what happened in the database? Okay, it's open the mail, that's okay. In the database, that particular one should change like what? The status, read to unread, unread to read. Okay, unread to read. So it should also change the status is like 0 or not. Whenever you open again tomorrow the Gmail with this particular account, whatever the mails are there with the status they are displayed. Now these all are like what? Zeros means read messages or not. Okay, to this one, just write 4 to 5 points. Understood or not? Document kind of. Got my point? Otherwise, you can take anything. Okay, I need like a small documentation for end-to-end flow. Okay, you can take like an Amazon. Okay, searching. Okay, from searching to purchase the product. Okay, that document you can prepare. Okay, now you can say the payment broker, payment gateway, Axis Bank application, all these you can involve. Okay, the enterprise application, just prepare the document. That one I asked, okay, you can do that. Okay, any other questions, anyone? Tomorrow, the class is like the same time, just you can join. So any questions, anyone? So tomorrow I will tell you how to set up the environment. How to set up the environment. To start work on Python, first of all, you need to set the environment, right? How to set the environment, we'll discuss. Okay. I will share you this video to you through mail. Okay. You can go through this. If you have any questions, okay, just you can drop a mail to this email ID, trainings@vtsschool.com. Otherwise, you can call. Instead of call, just you can WhatsApp and you can drop a mail. That's better. Any questions, anyone? Okay, then we'll continue on things in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, I will show you from where you need to download our running notes and programs and everything. I will show you in tomorrow's session. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Bye.